Hi students, welcome to another video of Smartly Learn. In this video, let's find the solution for the fifth question in exercise 7.6. Let's take the first subdivision 5x divided by x plus 1 into x square minus 4. So first I'm going to break this fraction as 5x divided by x plus 1 into x square minus 4 can be broken as x plus 2 into x minus 2. So the integration itself is now changing into this type. So let's write this out in partial fractions. So a divided by x plus 1 plus b divided by x plus c divided by x minus 2 is equal to the given fraction 5x divided by x plus 1 into x square minus 4. So now if you take LCM in this side, so a into x minus 2 into x plus 2 plus b into x plus 1 into x minus 2 plus c into x plus 1 into x plus 2. So is equal to, the denominator will also be equal to the denominator. So we are directly comparing the numerator 5x. Now put x is equal to 2. So if you put x is equal to 2, a term and b term will vanish. So c into 2 plus 1 is 3 into 2 plus 2 is 4 is equal to 5 2s are 10. So 12c is equal to 10. So which means c is equal to 10 by 12, or on simplest form c is equal to 5 by 6. Now let's try x is equal to minus 2. So when you put x is equal to minus 2, again a term will vanish, c term this time will vanish, b into minus 2 plus 1 is minus 1, minus 2 is minus 4, this is equal to minus 10. So 4b is equal to minus 10, so b is equal to minus 10 by 4, or on simplification b is going to be equal to minus 5 by 2. Now let's put x is equal to minus 1. So in this case, b and c will vanish. So a into minus 3 plus into, this is minus 1 plus 2. So it is going to be 1 is equal to minus 5. So minus 3a is equal to minus 5. So a is equal to 5 by 3. Now that we got the values of a, b and c, let's substitute it here. So this will become the integral of 5 by 3 divided by x plus 1 dx plus b into, so the minus sign of the b I am taking outside. So minus 5 by 2 integral dx divided by x plus 2 plus 5 by x integral dx divided by x minus 2. So if you integrate, this will become 5 by 3 log of x plus 1 minus 5 by 2 log of x plus 2 plus 5 by 6 log of x minus 2 plus c. Now let's take up the second subdivision in this question. The second subdivision, so now we are going to break this into partial fractions. A divided by x minus 1 plus b divided by x minus 1 the whole square plus c divided by x plus 2. So this is equal to x divided by x minus 1 the whole squared into x plus 2. So on the left side, let's take LCM. So a into x minus 1 into x plus 2 plus b into x plus 2 plus c into x minus 1 the whole square is equal to x. Now you put different values of x. So x is equal to 1. If you put, a will vanish, c will vanish. So b into 3 is equal to 1, or b is equal to 1 by 3. Now let's try x is equal to minus 2. So if you put x is equal to minus 2, a will vanish, b will vanish, c into minus 2 minus 1 is minus 3. So minus 3 the whole squared is equal to minus 2. So 9c is equal to minus 2, or c is equal to minus 2 by 9. Now that you got these values, so whatever you put, there will be an expression. So I'm going to try with a simple value of x is equal to 0. So a into 0 minus 1 is minus 1 plus 0 plus 2 is 2 plus b into 2, and here c into minus 1 the whole square is plus 1. So this is equal to 0. So minus 2a plus 2b plus c is equal to 0. See, we know the value of b and c. We only need to find the value of a. So let's substitute other values. Minus 2a plus 2 into 1 by 3 is 2 by 3. Then this is minus 2 by 9 is equal to 0. Now you take LCM, minus 2a, this is going to be 9. If you cross multiply, 3 2s are 6, minus 4 is minus 2 is plus 4 is equal to 0. So minus 2a is equal to minus 4 by 9, or a is equal to 2 by 9. Now that we got all the values, let's do integration. So this is going to be integral of 2 by 9 divided by x minus 1 minus b's value is going to be equal to 1 by 3. So plus 1 by 3 divided by integral of x minus 1 the whole square dx. Then this is going to be plus c. So I'm going to directly take the sign outside. This is minus 2 by 9 integral of dx divided by x plus 2. So if you take in the first case, this is 2 by 9 integral of dx divided by x minus 1 plus 1 by 3 integral of dx divided by x minus 1 the whole squared minus 2 by 9 integral of dx divided by x plus 2. If you start to integrate, the first term will become 2 by 9 log of x minus 1. Now in the last case, it will become minus 2 by 9 log of x plus 2. As far as the middle one, plus 1 by 3, you can put x minus 1 as t. So what happens is dx will become dt. So this will become dt divided by t squared. So you can look at it as t power minus 2 dt. Now if you integrate, this will become t power minus 1 by minus 1. So I will have a minus 1 divided by x minus 1 plus c. In the next step, I can remove or bring this minus sign here. So this answer will become minus 1 by 3 into x minus 1 plus c. All the other terms will remain the as such. So 2 by 9 log of x minus 1 minus 2 by 9 log of x plus 2. But however, there is a minus 1 by, I can write this as minus 1 by 3 into x minus 1 plus c. So this will be the final answer for the second subdivision. In the next video, we will find the solution for the sixth question in this exercise. See you in the next video. Bye.